Doing well. I'm working with a scope A1 fluorescent telescope, a microscope, and this nice gent going to take the sample for me. This is my speed sample here, and I'm going to fix it with the microscope to check exactly what's going on LCD. So this is right?
Yeah, right. So put it in.
Yep. I'm fixed
And now we need.
There we go.
Oh, and here you can see the cells. Can you see them already?
Yep. What is this?
Human cells.
Oh, this is the cells, yeah?
Maybe we can see it more clearly. Yeah, but you can imagine right here.
Yep. Guys, this microscope is really very sharp, and you can exactly see the cells, and it is, I think, like 500,000 times bigger than the real size. Thanks for watching.